No wood shop is actually complete without a shop dog. This is my sweetheart Koa. She is a fox red English lab. And I want to tell you all about how she got her name. Koa is a variety of acacia only found in Hawaii. I've only ever had one opportunity to work with Koa. I ended up making this gorgeous live edge coffee table for a very sweet couple. And after making that coffee table and visiting the Garden Islands, we got this sweet girl right here. Koa is nothing short of incredible. And if you want to come meet her, well, you're gonna have to come to the shop.